give you the tour. Well, this is the view of the workshop as soon as you come in through the door. This is the west wall. New thing I did is the shelving that you're seeing now, it's wider. I'll be able to put more stuff on there, storage, get some of the tools off the ground. That's one of the goals for 2013. Got my whole library of woodworking books, screws, nails, paints, thinners, lumber storage above. Pretty much 2x4s attached to the studs of the wall. Got back workbench. Got some more storage in here for the shelf. Drawers fully extend out. Got more sketches for future projects. Pliers, tin snips, scrapers. Then right beside it, we got the drill press. Everything I need for the drill press is right in this drawer. All organized. Spade bits, drill bits, Forstner bits, brad point pit bits. And the other one is just for templates and stuff, odds and ends. Other than that, got the pegboard, got shelving beside the pegboard, got a light above. This is a new thing I did for the workshop. Before it was just a pile of wood just laying on the floor, very unorganized. Now I got pretty much got wood better organized. Got lots of kinds of woods, pine, oak, got some walnut in there, some fancier woods in there. Just odds and ends, you know, just don't want to throw them away because some of the wood is expensive. So I save them for future projects. Yeah, of course, another refrigerator, even though I don't use it. See, all empty. Future fridge for the workshop. Big fridge here is later this year. It's going to be out. Got a back door here for more wood storage. Got more shelving, pegboard to hang the tools I use in that area. Another new thing is I had shelving over here to store a lot of my jigs that I end up using for projects. This is what I pretty much use for clamp storage. Then plus I got more clamp storage on the workbench. Got more storage up here. Shelving back there. That's all cluttered. I'll have to get that all organized. Well, this area right here, this is where it pretty much all begins. I pretty much do all my SketchUp, do all my pretty much planning for woodworking projects, and then plus everything I need here is right in the area. Pens, pencils, erasers, rulers, calculators. Well, this is the second step of the process. Well, after doing the sketching and buying the wood, I come over here, cut it down to rough length. Sometimes if the boards if the boards are too thick, then I pretty much come over here. This is where the thickness planer is. Just pulls right out. Pretty much got it all attached to a on drawer pull-outs. This way I don't have to constantly pick up a 100-pound machine. Then plus dust collection hooks up pretty easy. Got the dust hose, hooks right up to the machine. Pretty simple. When you're done, just folds right up and slides right under the work table. Then plus you got the dust collection built in to the work table underneath. Well, as soon as everything gets cut, planed, then you have to cut it down to width. This is where the table saw comes in. Pretty much got this built into the work table too. We got a bigger rip fence for this table that goes the whole 8 feet. Now, as soon as this part of the process is done, then pretty much go to the router table I ended up building myself. This way you can do your roundovers, do your decorative things and dados or whatever needs to be done, shaping the wood. Then when that's done, then this big area here, this is where the assembly is for the glue up, staining, finishing. And here I got pretty much all my clamps right by. Got your 3-foot, 2-foot clamps, spring clamps. Then the heavy duty ones, well, it's way up here. Bar clamps. Got some miscellaneous clamps, C-clamps, and other types of clamps. So basically after this, then the project's pretty much done. Then it usually goes through this door and usually put off on the side. It's a another garage. More wood storage up above. This part here is not finished. Got some big doors for the plywood storage. Got 2 of them. Got some more wood storage. Oh yeah, we also got more wood storage above head. Well, this is just not for wood storage, but for miscellaneous stuff. Well, that's pretty much the end of the tour for 2013.